In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the process from opening the platform to setting up the basic structure of your campaign using the email builder. This is a great starting point if you want to create email content from scratch and have full control over the layout. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or workspace where you want to build the campaign. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where most of your navigation options live, so if you're new to the platform, it's a good area to get familiar with. From that left menu, click on Marketing. This will open the Marketing section, where you can manage different communication tools and campaign-related assets. After that, move to the top menu and click on Emails. This takes you into the email area, where you can create and manage campaigns. Once you're there, click on Create Campaign. This will begin the setup process for a new email campaign. You'll then be asked how you want to start, and for this walkthrough, choose blank. Starting with a blank campaign is useful when you want to build your design yourself rather than relying on a pre-made layout. Next, you'll need to select your editing experience. Gohighlevel may offer different ways to build your email depending on how hands-on you want to be. In this example, select Design Editor. This option is ideal if you want a visual, drag-and-drop editing experience that makes it easier to arrange content without needing advanced technical skills. After choosing it, click Select to continue. Now you'll be brought into the campaign editor. The first thing to do here is edit the campaign name. Give it a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple campaigns over time. A good naming convention can save you time when organizing or searching through your marketing assets. After naming the campaign, you can begin building the content itself. Look for the Elements panel, then choose the element you want to use and drag it into your campaign layout. These elements can help you structure the email visually and make it easier to present your message in a clean, professional way. Take your time placing each section so the final layout feels easy to read and well organized. And that's the basic process for creating a campaign in Gohighlevel. Once you've reached this point, you've successfully set up the foundation and started designing your campaign inside the editor.